Hi, I'm Dean Johnson with Pipefreezer Victoria, part of the Pipefreezer Group nationally. We're currently here at 35 Collins Street, and we're about to kick off a project where we're going to be doing 4 by 300 mil freezes on the riser so we can isolate the water between levels 22 and 16. And I'm going to take you inside so we can see exactly what we're about to achieve. We've just finished up bolting on the freeze jackets to the section of 300 mil pipe here in the riser, which is going to allow us to create a cryogenic freeze plug between floors 22 and 16, which will allow the primary HVAC contractor to cut into the pipe and to be able to run new branch lines to a brand new plant room that they're installing on level 18. We're just about to take a break now, and then when we come back tonight, the freeze process is going to start at 1 a.m. At that point in time, we'll be connecting the hoses to our pressure vessels, turn those on, which is going to take about a 5-hour process to create freeze plugs in the pipelines. So we're back here on site now at 35 Collins. We've got 2 teams. We got one on 22, and we're here on 16. And we started flowing liquid nitrogen into the freeze jackets at 1 a.m. and we're looking really good. We got a very healthy freeze that's on the way with big solid frost collars. We're about halfway through the freeze, and once we data log the temperatures and measure the tolerances, then we're going to hand this over to Ellis, where they can drain the pipe and then do the cuts that they need to do tonight. So here we are on level 18, where the works were completed. You can see the brand new cut-ins that were done between our freezes, which occurred over those 2 days. Ultimately, we held those freezes in place for 12 hours so they could do this work. We feel that this was a huge success story for our company, Pipefreezer, because we allowed the savings of approximately 170,000 liters of treated water, and it also saved A&P and Ellis Air countless number of hours in chasing the air out of the system had there been a system-wide drain down. So if you're interested in finding out more or wondering if a pipe freeze might be right for your project, go to our website, pipefreezer.com.au.